How to solve personal linked account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our LinkedIn right here and make sure that we are logged in into our account. Now, the next thing that we need to do, once you're now here and you tried to verify your account using Persona, but there seems to be a problem that you're facing, then the next thing that we need to do right here is to open another tab and then search for LinkedIn support and then click on enter. Once you click that, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down until you see this contact LinkedIn support. So click that one right there. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down until you see this access the LinkedIn support homepage. And then once you're here, you will see this create a support ticket. So click this one right here. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click on other. And then what we're going to do here is to just type verification using Persona. And then click on enter. Once you're here, the next thing that we need to do right here is to click on identify verification by Persona troubleshooting. So click this one right there. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to scroll down right here until you see this request assistant from LinkedIn. So just click this one right here. And then what we're going to do is to just scroll down. You will now be able to see this. So what we're going to do is to just put our alternative email right here. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to choose our concern. So it is identity verification. And then in this part, we're going to click Persona. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just choose the problem that we are facing. So just choose this one right here. So let's say, for example, that you're having technical issue. So just put it right there. And then in this part, just put the additional details or question that you want to put. And then you can also add an attachment right there. So let's say, for example, that you want to say this. And then once you're now done with this, just click on submit. And then after that, they will now be able to see your concern and then they will get back to you using the email that you have provided. So all you have to do is to wait for them to get back to you and then they will try to help you to fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to solve persona linked account.